So ayan guys, hi! This is me again, Rob Briner, ang inyong alindog. Lipstick lang ang katapat. But before that, please guys, don't forget to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you're always notified with my new video. Today we're going to unboxing the helmet for the cycling bike or for the bike. So let's start.
Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, never strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. No, they don't fade.
Mga kalindog, ayan. Today vlog is we're going to unboxing, ayan. Unboxing my Prio. Ayan guys. Prio I order in online. Ayan. Order tayo ng para siyang helmet for the bicycle. Kasi ayun, remember I have my e-bike. So this color of e-bike is white. But by the way guys, ayan, i-unbox natin ang ating helmet is from Rio. Ayan guys, no? I bought this is I think more than 52 or 55 euro. Ayan, ganyan yung price niya mga kalindog. By the way, kasi dito, here in Germany is, ano ba yung perfect? It's rules. We're using the bike or the e-bike, we need to use the helmet and we need to put some lights, of course, our yung aming our bicycle or bike. So that's why we need all these things, because here in Germany guys, you need to be careful, because if the police will stop you, you need to get the ticket or you need to pay, you know. So that's why before you use we use the bike or something with electric or something, or even the bike, normal bike, we need to use the protocol or the rules and regulations about in the street. Kasi we can use the side street, we have there the line only for the bike. And you know the rules here, if the car, see for example this is you, and of course the car is need to give you a distance. Ayan, I think the distance is more than 20 I think 5 or 10 meters, but I don't know anyways. But the rules is car need to give us a distance, because we had the right to use the main street or the street for the car too. So ayan, no, I explain you, so it's better I will explain you all. That's why I bought this kind of helmet. So ayan guys, don't forget to subscribe, okay? Please subscribe and tap the notification bell so you're always notified with my new video. So thank you. Ayan, no, we're going to do this very only quick. So ayan, let's open now and let's unboxing if this things is or helmet is already fit for to my head. I remember before I order this, I measure first my head, ayan, no? So I think my head I measure is like 55 I think, or 54. Yeah, by the way, we will see, tignan natin, let us see guys. Ayan, so ayan, no? So of course si Victoria is laging always there, laging ayan, so, alam nyo na guys, si Victoria is always what is no year, lagi siyang this is my honey, look at there, be lucky here, there, you know, Victoria is always curious. So ayan guys, so they think always them food, kala nila, ayan, oh guys, look at this, oh my god, ayan. So this is the name of the actually go Bigis ganda siya. So ayan guys, so ayan, no more. So kasi yan, Ayan, that is, the delivery is two company here. One is for the Post and one is for the Hermes. Ayan. So, ayan guys, ang kanyang name. Ano ka ba? I cannot read this. Ultrax A. Well, by the way, ayan, ganyan siya. So, ayan guys, let us open now. And I order, of course, guys, because my favorite color is green, but I cannot order the green color because, you know, my bike is color white. Ayan, no? So, kaya pakita ko sa inyo. So, that's why it need to be what is terno or the same color with my bike and my, you know, my helmet. Ayan, guys. Show you. Diba? Uy, ayan na mga nakalindog. Look at this. Ayan. And of course, guys, this is very light. I think this is only grams. But, ayan. Diba? But hard like, hard like, what do you call that? Para siyang stone or the, you know the turtle? Ayan, mga kalindog. So, ayan, no? Oh, beautiful, di ba? Oh, ayan. Kasi I need really this, guys. Ayan. So, let us. Wow! Ayan. Oh, di ba? Ang ganda niya. Ayan, mga kalindog. Of course, ayan yung, this is the, inside the head. Ayan. Ano siya? It's like, malambot siya. It's good. And very light. So, the reason is why they have a lock. Ayan, para the air, it's not gonna be hot kasi talagang baka ma-heat. We're going to be a heat stroke here when the sun is really shine. So ayan. Ayan, oh, di ba? Ang ganda niya, guys. At ipipit natin siya kung talagang quick. Ayan, guys. At ito yung kanyang, ayan. This, we need to press only this button to open. Ayan. Ayan, no? No, we need to push it, guys. Ayan. Push it like that. Ayan, there we go. And to close it, the same thing. Ayan, we need, oh, this is a magnet. Oh, guys, this is a magnet. This is a magnet, I show you. Oh, ayun, magnet siya. There is the magnet. So, it's nice, right? So, ganun lang pala. So, and then, push it. O, diba? Pak. Ganun. And then, of course, ayan guys, ito yung, this is for the, what do you call this? Para naman to sa, it's like, ayan, I think, oh yan, natatanggal siya mga kalindo. I don't know if I can take care of that or what. But anyway, let's see first how that is work. So ayan, kasi I think this is they can removable. Ayan, na-remove siya or what? Okay. So ayan guys, sorry. Something coming again about ayan, galing naman na ito, I don't know what is this, but it's still also for the for my bike. But anyway, this is different. We don't unboxing this. So ayan guys, let us proceed these things. So ayan, I think this is natatanggal siya, but I don't know how. Well, by the way guys, hindi ko alam. Let us figure it out if natatanggal siya or what. Alam ko is natatanggal siya. But anyway, ayan. But anyway guys, ayan. Kung, I'm not really sure kung natatanggal siya, but we need to, ayan, oh. Ito pala yung ano. So, this is guys, ayan. Meron din siya at the back, ayan. Itong back na ito, pwede siyang, ano to, ano ba tayo, pwede siyang i-arrange or, kung gaano kalaki, how measure your, like your head, ayan. So, ayan. We need to only like that. Ganyan lang. Okay. So, ayan guys, no? So, ayan ngayon. Let's try mga kalindog. Ayan. So, I need to make like this kasi, ayan. So, let's try mga kalindog kung talagang this fit or this things is fit to me. O, ayan, di ba? Ayan. Kasi ito guys, this is para sa light to. It's like the cup, you know, the cup always have the front. So, ayan. Oh my God. So, it's not fit guys. So, kailangan natin siyang i-adjust. Ayan, adjustable para sa ating, ayan. So, I think like this. Diba? Oh, ayan. So, that's it. Ayan, mga kalindog. Ayan, adjust. So, we need to make adjust a little bit more. Ayan. Kasi ano talaga to eh. Rules dito to guys. We need it. O, diba? Cute. O, diba? So, meron maluwag pa siya. Let's adjust again a little bit more. Ayan. So, ayan mga kalindong. O, diba? Tapos, gagamit tayo ng, we're going to use, of course, the, ayan, ganyan siya for example. Paano nga ba yun? So, ayan. So, ayan mga kalindong. Tapos ito, adjustable din. O, ayan. So, ayan mga kalindong, ganyan yan. So, ready for the biking, cycling. O, ayan, diba? Very nice, yeah. So, kailangan nakaganan siya. Oh my God, ano yun? Na-adjust din pala siya mga kalindog. Ayan. So, ayan, ha? So, ganyan, o, diba? Nakita nyo. O, diba? So, very adjustable siya. So, ayan, diba? Very nice, mga kalindog. Love it. Diba? Kailangan, diba yan? Kailangan talaga kasi ganun eh. We need to do it. So, ayan guys, I hope did you enjoy my unboxing, the, what do you call that, the helmet. Let's call this helmet, okay. Oh, the bike is white, so kaya ayan guys, binili ko. So, ayan. So, guys, thank you. So, thank you for watching. I hope did you enjoy my unboxing. Ayan. So, guys, thank you. O, diba? I'm so beautiful. Charles. So, bye mga kalindog. So, bye. I'm ready. I'm going to cycling. I'm going to bike with with Victoria. Bye, everybody. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Bye.